Good morning everyone. Today we gonna read our chapter 21 Food and Fun. Let's start. Tring.
Ring.
The doorbell rang. When Manpreet opened the door,
When Manpreet opened the door,
she saw Divya
she saw Divya
and Swastik there.
and Swastik there.
She called out excitedly,
She called out excitedly,
Gurnur, look who has come.
"Look who has come!"
Gurnur came running.
Gurnur came running.
When she saw her friends,
When she saw her friends,
she hugged them happily.
she hugged them happily.
When did you come?
"When did you come?"
From the hostel boarding school.
"From the hostel boarding.
Just yesterday.
Just yesterday."
Where are your parents?
"Where are your parents?"
We want to meet them.
"We want to meet them."
Swastik said.
Swastik said.
They are at the Gurudwara.
"They are at the Gurudwara.
We were about to go there too.
We were about to go there too."
Gurnur replied.
Gurnur replied,
Oh, good. We will also come with you,
"We'll also come with you,"
said Divya.
said Divya.
You come home only in the vacations. Do you like staying in your hostel?
Do you like staying in your hostel?
You must be
You must be
missing your parents,
missing your parents,
Gurnur asked.
Gurnur asked.
Divya said,
Divya said,
we do miss them,
"We do miss them,
but hostel life is fun.
but hostel life is fun.
Even if we don't always like the food,
Even if we don't always like the food,
we enjoy eating together
we enjoy eating together
with all the children.
with all the children.
You know,
You know,
when someone in our hostel
when someone in our hostel
gets homemade food,
gets homemade food,
we all rush to their rooms.
we all rush to their rooms.
That food
That food
finishes within minutes,
finishes within minutes.
Swastik said laughingly.
Swastik said laughingly.
Do you study
Do you study
in a boarding school?
in a boarding school?
If you do not,
If you do not,
try to talk with someone
try to talk with someone
who goes to a boarding school
who goes to a boarding school
and find out
and find out
in what ways
in what ways
is boarding school different
is boarding school different
from other schools.
from other schools.
What kind of food
What kind of food
do they get there?
do they get there?
Where do the children
Where do the children
sit and eat in the boarding school?
sit and eat in the boarding school?
Who cooks food
Who cooks food
for the children
for the children
in the boarding school?
in the boarding school?
Who serves the food?
Who serves the food?
Who wash the vessels?
Who wash the vessels?
Do the children
Do the children
miss homemade food sometimes?
miss homemade food sometimes?
Would you like
Would you like
to go to a boarding school?
to go to a boarding school?
Why?
Why?
At the Gurudwara.
At the Gurudwara.
The children chatted
The children chatted
all the way to the Gurudwara.
all the way to the Gurudwara.
There,
There,
they covered their heads.
they covered their hats.
They went into kitchen
They went into the kitchen
of the Gurudwara.
after the Gurudwara.
It was very huge.
It was very huge.
A lot of activity was going on there.
A lot of activities was going on there.
Food was being cooked
Food was being cooked
in huge vessels.
in new vessels.
On one side, the channa and urad dal was boiling.
And urad dal was boiling.
In another vessel,
In another vessel,
the cauliflower
the cauliflower
and potato vegetable was being made.
and potato vegetables were being made.
There is your papa,
There is your papa.
Gurnur. Let us go
Let us go
and meet him.
and meet him.
Swastik said,
Swastik said,
what are you doing here?
"What are you doing here?"
Manjeet Singh was happy
Manjeet Singh was happy
to see the children.
to see the children.
Uncle,
"Uncle,
can we also help in the kitchen?
can we also help in the kitchen?
What are you preparing?
What are you preparing?"
Swastik asked.
Swastik asked.
Manjeet Singh said,
Manjeet Singh said,
I am preparing Kadha Prasad.
"I am preparing Khada Prasad.
It takes a lot of effort
It takes a lot of efforts
to roast the flour
to roast the flour
in ghee in this big kadhai.
in ghee in this big kadai.
This is a kind of halwa,
This is a kind of halwa,
isn't it?
isn't it?
When will you
When will you
add sugar in it?
add sugar in it?
Divya asked.
Divya asked.
They saw Manpreet's mother
They saw Manpreet's mother
and rushed to meet her.
and rushed to meet her.
Divya asked,
Divya asked,
"What are you doing, auntie?"
"What are you doing, auntie?"
Beta,
Beta,
we are rolling chapatis to bake them.
we are rolling chapatis to bake them.
In this tandoor,
In this tandoor,
so many chapatis at one go.
so many chapatis are.
Divya was surprised.
Divya was surprised.
Can I help? Sure. Come and try.
Come and try.
Here everyone can help.
Here everyone can help.
But wash your hands first,
But wash your hands first,
replied auntie.
replied auntie.
Divya washed her hands
Divya washed her hands
and joined the group
and joined the group
near the tawa.
near the tawa.
The tawa was very hot.
The tawa was very hot.
She started applying ghee
She started applying ghee
on the chapatis
on the chapatis
as they were being taken out of the tawa.
as they were being taken out of the tawa.
Swastik wondered aloud,
Swastik wondered aloud,
who brings all the materials
who brings all the material
to cook so much food?
to cook so much food?
One of the ladies answered,
One of the ladies answered,
"Everyone here contributes in some way
everyone here contribute in some way
or the other.
or the other.
Some arrange for the material,
Some arrange for the material,
some give money,
some give money,
and other help in the work."
and other helps in the work.
So Swastik,
So Swastik,
how do you like it?
how do you like it?
Have you ever cooked before?
Have you ever cooked before?
Teased Manpreet. No,
No,
but I am enjoying working with everyone,
but I am enjoying working with everyone,
said Swastik.
said Swastik.
We hardly realized how all this food, chapatis,
Chapatis,
rice,
rice,
halwa,
halwa,
dal, and vegetable
and vegetable
got prepared so fast.
got prepared so fast.
After Ardas,
After Ardas,
Kadha Prasad was distributed.
Khada Prasad was distributed.
Some of the boys
Some of the boys
quickly laid out duties in the veranda, and all the people sat down in rows to have langar. Some people served food
Some people served food
and others served water.
and others served water.
Everyone ate together.
Everyone ate together.
After finishing food, everyone
After finishing food, everyone
picked up one's own plate and put it in a big drum.
put it in a big drum.
People who were serving
People who were serving
ate in the end.
ate in the end.
They cleaned the place
They cleaned the place
and washed the utensils.
and washed the utensils.
Talk about it.
Talk about it.
The cooking
The cooking
and eating together
and eating together
in a gurudwara is called langar.
in the Gurudwara is called langar.
Have you ever eaten in a langar?
Have you ever eaten in the langar?
Where and when?
Where and when?
How many people were cooking
How many people were cooking
and how many were serving
and how many were serving
the food there?
the food there?
Are there other occasions
Are there other occasions
when you have eaten
when you have eaten
with many people?
with many people?
Where and when?
Where and when?
Who cooked
Who cooked
and served the food there?
and served the food there?
Different scenes from a Gurudwara langar.
Different scenes from a Gurudwara langar.